Join fellow innovation professionals from across the globe at the 2021 ISPIM Innovation Conference. Draw inspiration from over 200 sessions covering key innovation themes. Hear from leading thought leaders including Ed Freeman, Kate Rayworth, Christian Kroll, Sinella Jayasuriya, Christian Basin, and Bettina von Stam. You'll be able to create your own personalized program and catch up on anything you've missed in the recordings afterwards. Connections are key, and there are plenty of opportunities to meet new and old friends. Join us for a cup of coffee or try some yoga. Don't you worry, the ISPIM band is already rehearsing. And of course, this conference is a chance for you to deep dive into the thriving innovation ecosystem in Berlin. Join us in June and help innovate our common future.